A fresh morning to all of you. How are you? Yes, you are fit and fine. Okay, yesterday we have done filling the blanks with suitable words. Today we will do the next exercise, that is question second. You can take out page 78. Okay, page 78, lesson 5. The second exercise we will do today. Write the correct action for Akbar in each of the following. Here, what is the mistake Akbar is doing? So, you have to write the correct thing for each of the following. The first one is, he typed a sentence and there were several green wavy lines. When he typed a sentence, then there was several green. Wavy means like this, okay, wavy line. So, what he has to do? If it is a grammatical mistake, then it will show the what? Green wavy line. So let's see what he will do. He should place the cursor over the sentence. Okay, where the wavy line is there, he should place the cursor over the sentence. After that, and open the spelling and grammar dialog box. Make sure that the check grammar option at the bottom of the dialog box is checked. After that, when he will open the spelling and grammar dialog box, he should be sure that check grammar option, where it will be check grammar option at the bottom of the dialog box. At the bottom of the dialog box is checked. Okay, it is ticked. The suggestion box provides the correct option. The suggestion box, after that the suggestion box will provide the correct option and the green wavy line will go away. It will give you the correct answer. Come to the second question. There are red wavy line under a word in a sentence. If it is a mistake, then it will show you red wavy line. So what he has to do? He should place the cursor over the word that shows the wavy red lines. He should then click on the spelling and grammar tools in the proofing group of review tab. After that, he has to go for the spelling and grammar tool, that is in the proofing group of review tab. This opens the spelling and grammar dialog box. This opens the spelling and grammar dialog box, and there is a suggestion box that will provide him a number of options to choose from. He should select the option he wants and click on the change button. The word is corrected in the document and the wavy red lines disappear. This is what he has to do the correct things. If it is a wrong in the sentence, then it will show you the red wavy line. What you will do, that it will give you the correct result. So for that, he has to place the cursor over the word where it is showing the red wavy line. Then after that, he has to click to the spelling and grammar tools from the proofing group of the review tab. Then the spelling and grammar dialog box opens up. After that, there is a suggestion box which will provide him a number of options to choose from. Which is the correct answer? Many options will provide. He should select the option he wants and click on change button. The word is corrected in the document and the red wavy line will disappear. Can you see the first one and second one? Okay, fine. Then let us go to the third one. He pressed Ctrl+V to select the whole document. What is the answer? To select the whole document, he has to press what? Ctrl+A. The third answer is what? He has to press. He has to press Ctrl+A to select the whole document. to select the whole document. He has to press what? He has to press Ctrl plus A to select the whole document. Now come to the last one, D number. He was looking for the MS Word program in accessories folders of the start menu. When we need what? MS Word. He was looking where? He was looking in the accessories folder. But what he has to do? He has to go to the start menu, then click on all program. In that you have to go to Microsoft Office, then you will get MS Word. So let me erase it. I will write it the next answer for you. So is all the answer is clear? Okay, can you see? Okay, fine. Let me erase it. Student, now you come to the next question. Third question, answer again I have written it. He pressed Ctrl plus V to select the whole document. So what is the correct answer? He should press Ctrl plus A. Now the next one. He was looking for the MS Word program in the accessory folder of the start menu. If he wants to go to MS Word, so what he has to do? He should go to all program and then Microsoft Office folder in the start menu for locating MS Word. Now the last one, he is looking for the word count tool in the spelling and grammar suggestion box. So for word count tool, where you has to go? The word count tool is located in the proofing group of the review tab. Where it is located? In the proofing group of the review tab. Okay. Now come to the third question. Give one word for each of the following. You have to give one word. See, this question is there in your textbook. Okay. You write down this question and answer I have written in Blackboard. This is the third question. Give one word for each of the following. A software that helps to edit and format document. What do you call? MS Word. The command that undoes the last undo command, that you call as redo. The place where you can find the antonymous and synonymous of word, that is known as thesaurus. The menu that helps you to create a new blank document. If you want to create a new blank document, it is File menu. The toolbar that contains commonly used command and can be customized. So that is known as your quick access toolbar. So you write the question, you write this question and you put hyphen and you write this answer. Is it clear? The next question, steps by steps, we will do in our next offline video. I will send in my next video. Okay. Is it clear? All the answer? Okay. You write down all this question answer in your classwork notebook. And thank you children for listening my class. All of you take care of your health. Be safe at home and always be smiling. Bye. Have a nice day.